Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it, login failed, sorry, and unexpected error occurred, please try again later, error code number 2. So how you can also fix it? So first thing, just close your Facebook and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings and just open here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off, wait for a second, and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off, wait for a second, and just turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second, and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again, so just simply restart your phone. Also you can try to update your phone, so just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it successfully installs the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.